children, welcome back to mathematics class. In the previous class we have learned standard form, expanded form of Indian system of numeration as well as international system of numeration and forming smallest 8 digit number and also greatest 8 digit number. Okay, now see, there are some pens in my both hands, right hand and left hand. In the right hand, how many pens are there? Count once. 1, 2, 3. In the left hand, how many pens are there? 2 pens are there. Now can you say in which hand I have more pens? Right hand or left hand? Yes. In my right hand I have more pens than left hand. Okay. In the right hand we have 3. Left hand I have only 2 pens. Okay. I am keeping this aside. Remember this. Now look here. 2 boys are there. Okay. Now who is shorter and who is taller? On the left side this boy is shorter. On the right side that boy is shorter. Yes. Left side. This side boy is shorter. And that side boy is taller. Now look children, what we did actually here. In my right hand and left hand, I am comparing the pens in my both hands. And see here, we compared just now heights of 2 persons. Okay, I compared means 2 objects, heights of 2 persons. Here I am comparing pens in my both hands. In the same way, if we take the large numbers, we can compare large numbers also. Okay, let us discuss today about comparison of large numbers. So look children, while comparing these large numbers, we have some symbols to follow. If I take same pens, look here, in my right hand there are 3 pens, in the left hand 2 pens. Okay, right hand having more pens than left hand. So we can say that 3 pens is greater than 2 pens. Okay, so the greater than symbol is like this. Okay, when I compare with my left hand with right hand, left hand side is having 2 pens, means less than right hand. This is less than right hand.
So this is the symbol of less than.
Now let us take 2 numbers and let us compare which number is greater and which number is smaller. Okay, see here, you can see 2 numbers. Okay, now children, remember, while forming greater number and smaller number, we have to follow some rules. Rule 1, check once whether the digits in the both numbers are same or not. This side having greater number of digits when compared with the that side. This side you have 5 digits. Okay, and on the right hand side you have only 4 digits. Okay, when you compare. So first we have to compare whether the digits are having same or not. When the digits are more in the given number, that number will be the larger number, and the number having less digits will be the smaller number. Now look, compare out of these 2 numbers, which number is greater and which number is smaller. The greater number is 5 digit number. Greater number is 5 digit number, and the smaller number is 4 digit number. Okay, now let us go for the rule 2. Even though there are same digits, see these 2 numbers having 6 digits, 6 digits. When a given number having same number of digits like this, we have to look up for the highest place value. Look, what is the highest place value here? Periods. First count with periods. Once period we have 3 places. Thousands period we have 2 places in both numbers. And lakhs period we have only 1 place. Okay. Now what is the highest place value here? Okay. We having highest place is 1 lakh place. Okay. In 1 lakh place, once compare the numbers. Which number is greater? This side or that side? Left hand side or right hand side? Very good. Right hand side having greater digit in the 1 lakh place. Here we have 3 in the 1 lakh place. There we have 7 in the 1 lakh place. So what is the greater number of these two? The greater number is, see here, and the smaller number is here. So if we compare greater number and smaller number like this, shall we look up for another number? Look here. Let us take two numbers like this. Okay. Both the numbers having same digits, and see, look up for the highest place value. In highest place value, 1 lakh place, same 1 lakh place. See, in highest place value, highest place also we have digit 4 in the common. So you have to remember, this is the rule 3. When in the highest place both the digits are same, means you have to go for the next number. Okay, means 10,000s place. In the 10,000s place, look once, 10,000s place. Now this side number is greater or that side number is greater? So here we have digit 7, there you have digit 5. So now which digit is greater? Digit 7 is greater. Okay, digit 5 is less. So here we can compare the numbers like this. Okay, now greater number is, smaller number is. Now when we compare, this number is greater than that number. So we have learnt comparison of numbers. Now let us take few numbers and let us form the ascending order as well as descending order. So if we discuss what is ascending order, you have already learned in your previous classes. Arranging the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. Whereas descending order, arranging the given numbers from bigger number to smaller number. We have sang one song also. Okay, shall I revise you the song once? Basing on ascending order, descending order. Shall we sing once? Okay, everyone sing with me. Ascending, ascending, climbing up. Ascending, ascending, climbing up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Descending, descending, coming down. Descending, descending, coming down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So what you observed here, children? Ascending, ascending, climbing up means we are climbing from smaller number to bigger number. Descending, descending, coming down. From the bigger number we are coming down. This already we have learned in the previous classes. In your 4th class as well as 3rd class. Okay. Now let us take few numbers like this and let us arrange them in ascending order as well as descending order also. For that we need to place all these numbers on the place values. Basing on the place values, we will know which number is having less digits, which number is having more digits. Basing on the digits, we can compare and we can form the ascending order as well as descending order. Okay.
Here we have placed all the 4 numbers according to the place value table. Look here, first number 36,735. It is having only 5 digits up to 10,000s place. Second number having 6 digits. What is the highest place here? Lakhs place. So what is the number? 4,93,973. Look out for the third number. It is having 6 digits. 1,64,852. And the last number is having 5 digits. Highest place is 10,000s place. What is the number? 51,936. Now if you compare all these 4 numbers, first number and fourth number having only 5 digits. So these 2 numbers will be the smallest number when you are comparing with the second and third number. Now out of this first and fourth number, look up for the highest place, 10,000s place, which is having smaller value. Which digit is smaller? 3 or 5? 3 is small. So here 36,735 will be the smallest number out of these four numbers. So let us form the ascending order. Ascending order means what? Small number to bigger number. So this will be the first number, 36,735 is less than. Next we have automatically 5 digits in the fourth number. So that will be the next number, 51,936. We left over with two numbers. In these two numbers, once check out. See, in the highest place, lakhs place, which digit is higher, second number or third number? In the second number we have 4. Third number we have 1. Okay. So 1 is smallest digit here. So this number will become the third number. So 1,64,852 less than. Last we left over with only one number, that is 4,93,973. So this is how we formed ascending order from small number to big number. If we go for the descending order, what is the descending order? From bigger number to smaller number. That means we can directly reverse this ascending order. See, ascending order means what? Small to big. If we write this order in the reverse order, it will become descending order. So first let us write what is the bigger number here. 4,93,973 is greater than 1,64,852. Next is greater than 51,936 is greater than 36,735. So this is how we have to form ascending order, descending order basing on the given numbers. First we have to compare number of the digits. Okay, we have to place all the digits in the place values like this in the place value table. Then we can understand and we can form ascending order and descending order. Now let us go for the practice time sums.
So practice time 1.2, page number 8. Write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. So let us discuss what is meant by predecessor and also successor. If we take a number and if we write the before number -1, that is nothing but predecessor. And if they take the same number, if we add +1, that means next number. The next number gives us the successor. Okay. First we have to look out for the units place only. That means ones place. In the ones place, what digits will be? We know already 10 digits, 0 to 9, 10 digits. Okay. If I shall write like this. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 10 digits we use to form numbers, and basing on this only successor and predecessor works out. Successor means what? Next number. If we take 2, then what is the successor? 3, the next number. Same 2, what is the before number? 1. Okay, in that way. So here we have the question. See, periods, 3 places, 2 places. Which system it is? Indian system. Okay, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. So how do you read this number? 4 crore, 77 lakh, 92,004. Now we have to write the predecessor and successor. As I said, the predecessor means what? The before number -1. -1 means, if that means only ones place we have to subtract -1. Remaining all same. 4 crore, 77 lakh, 92,000 and 4 minus 1 is 3. That is the predecessor. Successor means what? Next number plus 1. So 4 plus 1 gives us what? 4, and the next digit is 5. So same digits let us write. 4 crore 77 lakh 92,005. Okay, these are the predecessor and successor of the given number. Now go for the second question, B. So see the periods here. Once a period common in both Indian system as well as Indian system. See here 3 places are there. So which system it is? It is International System of Numeration. So ones period, thousands period, millions period. So this number is read as 1 million. Now we have to write the predecessor of this 1 million. Predecessor means what? -1. So we shall subtract -1 here. See, I am taking 1 million here. and minus 1. Okay, so as we do not have any number here, means 0, from 0 we cannot subtract 1. If you want to regroup from the previous place also we have 0. If you look up to here, up to 100,000 places we have zeros only. So we have to regroup from here, and here we will be 0. Okay, from here we will regroup, here we will have 10, but automatically we have to bring to the last digit. So everything will be left over as 9 only here. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and the last group will become 10. Now 10 minus 1 gives us 9, and 9 nothing minus, so 9 we have to write here. Same 9 you have to write, all the 9s you have to write. Okay, now 0 and nothing is there. So while subtracting like this we get this number. So look here, how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits we have, and if we subtract minus 1, that predecessor is giving us only 6 digits. If you remember, this is the smallest 7 digit number. Okay, now this is the greatest 6 digit number. We already learned, when we add plus 1 for the greatest 6 digit number, we will get smallest 7 digit number. Okay, or else when we subtract minus 1 for the smallest 7 digit number, we will get greatest 6 digit number in the same way. Okay, now let us write the predecessor. Okay, what the predecessor is? 999,999. So what is the successor? Successor means what? Plus 1. So in the ones place we have 0, and what is the next digit after 0? 1. So directly let us write 1, remaining all same. So 1,000,000 and 1. There are nothing here. So answer is 1,000,001. Let us go for the next bit. Second bit, fill in the blanks with greater than or less than symbols. Okay, here some questions are given. Now basing on the rules we have discussed it earlier, let us write less than symbol or greater than symbol. So we have gone through some rules, right? What? First we have to check whether both numbers having same digits or not. Okay, see number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both having 7 digits. When both having 7 digits, what we have to look up for? We have to look up for the highest place. What is the highest place here? Ones period, tens, thousands period, lakhs period. Lakhs period we have lakhs, 10 lakhs.
In 10 lakhs place,
We have 9. Here also we have 9. If you go for the next digit, next place, see 9 and 9. Okay, here also matching same. Then we have to go more further, right? So 2 here, 2 here, it is also same. Then go for the thousands place, 4,000, 4,000. This is also same. And last go for hundreds place, 4, 4, same. Tens place we have 3, and here tens place we have 1. Now look here, which digit is bigger? So this or this? 3 in the tens place gives 30, 1 in the tens place gives 10. So which is greater? This number is greater comparing with the tens place, because all the previous places are same, equal. So basing on the tens place, we have to write greater than or equal. Now see, we said that this number is greater than this number. Greater than symbol like this. Okay, so greater than 99,24,431 is greater than 99,24,413. Now go for the next question. So if we look this Indian system, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Here also ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. In the crores period, we have 7 here, we have 9 here. So 7 crore is less than 9 crore. Less than number, just what I said, this is less than number. So I am giving only 1 point. This number is big, I am giving 2 points. Okay, now see, attach. less than symbol comes. Okay, now go for this number. 8 crore 64 lakh 36,952. Here 8 crore 63 lakh 45,952. Highest place is crores place. Crores place and crores place. In the both crores place we have digit 8. What we have to do? Go for the next place. Next place means 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place we have 6 here. We have 6 here again in the 10 lakhs place. So when this also common same means we have to go for the next place. In the next place means lakhs place we have 4. Gives 4 lakhs. In this number 3. So 3 lakhs. 4 lakhs is greater or 3 lakhs is greater? Obviously 4 lakhs is greater. So when comparing with the digit in the 10 lakhs place, this digit is great. So this number will become great. Okay. Now this number is greater than this number. So greater number I will give 2 points. Okay. Smaller number I will give smaller number 1 point only. Okay. Now greater than symbol is formed or not? Last, on the left hand side we have 6 digit. Right hand side we have only 5 digits. Rule 1. When whichever number is having more digit, that number will be greater. This number is greater than this number. So directly we can write greater than symbol. Okay. Now go for the next bit. Ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Third question. Okay. Some numbers are given here. So these numbers we have to arrange in ascending order. That means what? Smaller number to greater number. Ascending, climbing up. So first let us check whether all the digits, all the numbers having the same number of digits or not. If you look, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. In crores period we have only one crores place. Here we have 10 crores place, 10 crores place. Here we have only 1 crores place, and here we have only 10 lakhs. Okay. Now if you compare like this, which number is having less digits means less place value? Here we having only least place, that is 10 lakhs place. So this number will be the smaller number, and let us arrange in the ascending order, smaller number to bigger number. Okay, this will be the smaller number. So 39 lakh 89,899. As we completed this number, I am going to keep a small strike. Okay. Now this is less than which number? Means we are coming from smaller number to greater number. Okay, this is smaller number. If we compare, next to greater number will be what? In here. So this is smaller than which? This number 4 crore 93 lakh 99,879. Okay, we completed this. So cross and see next. This we have only crores place, 1 crores place. So this will be the next. Okay, so that is less than 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So as we completed this, I am striking this also. 2 numbers left over here. In the 10 crores place you have 5 here, you have 9 here. So which digit is smaller? 5 is smaller. So this number will become smaller number. Okay, I am writing this. So this is smaller than, less than 57 crore 89 lakh 49,389. Okay, and last leftover number is only one number, that is 90 crore. So I am writing less than 90 crore 84 lakh 23,105. Next, let us go for the B question. Look here. If you look the periods, each period is having 3 places. So which system of numeration is this? This is International System of Numeration. Okay. In International System of Numeration, first let us count for the same digits. See here, highest places. Here, see, 12 million, 23 million, 3 million, that means lesser number digits. 6 million, less number digits. 13 million. Okay. Now look here, these two numbers having only millions place, 1 million's place. So out of these two numbers, which number is having less place value, means in that millions place, which digit is less, 3 or 6? 3. So this will be the smaller number. So let us write ascending order, smaller number to bigger number. So this will be our smaller number, 3,465,781. So next number will be what? This number. So less than 6,543,781. As these two numbers completed, let us cross. Okay. Now we left with 3 numbers in the 10 millions place, or else let us read together. 23 million, 12 million, 13 million. Out of these 3, which number is smaller in the millions period? 23, 12 and 13. So 12 is the lesser number if we compare. So I am writing the less number here. Is less than 12,345,678. So cross out the number. Next, automatically 13,564,378. So cross out this number, and we left over with only one number.
That is 23,456,781.
Okay, this is how we formed ascending order, smaller number to bigger number. Now let us go for the next bit, descending order. Fourth bit, arrange the following numbers in descending order, means greater number to smaller number. Look at the places actually. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Okay, so this is Indian system. So crores period, and 1 crore is the highest place here. 1 crore, and here also 1 crore. Here also 1 crore. In 1 crore place, if you see all the numbers, digit is 1 only. So when all the places having the same digit, then we have to go for the next place. Next place here 5, 6, 5, 8. Okay, as this is descending order, what? From greater number to smaller number we have. In the 10 lakhs place, which digit is greater? 8 is greater. So we have to write this number. When 8 is greater, automatically the total number becomes the greater number. Okay. Now 6 crore 86 lakhs 95,475 is greater than. As this number is completed, just strike off. So in that same 10 lakhs place, we have 5 here, 6 here, 5 here. So 2 5s and 1 6. So which number will be greater basing on the 10 lakhs place? 6 is greater. So this second number is next to 6 crore 65 lakh 89,475 is greater than. As this completed, I am striking off. Okay. So 10 lakhs place we have same 5 and 5. 1 lakh place we have same 6 and 6. That means 56 lakh here, 56 lakh here. So what we have to go? We have to, in the thousands period, let us look first directly. In the thousands period, we have 89 number and we have 98 here. Okay. 89,000 here, here 98,000. So which is greater when comparing in the thousands period? 98,000 is greater. So this number comes next, is greater than 6 crore 56 lakhs 98,475. Strike off. We left over with only one number, so I am writing this here. Is greater than 6 crore 56 lakh 89,475. Let us go for question B. B question. We have 4 numbers again. See, each period having 3 places. So this is international system. International system. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. So let us look out for all the millions period here. In the millions period here we have 104 million. Here 107, so 107 million. Here only 70 million, 73 million. So in the millions period, which number is more? 107 million is more. So automatically this total number becomes the greater number, greatest number of among all this. So I'm writing first here 107,393,345. So completed, striking off. So next number will be 104 million, because this is 70 million, 73 millions only. We having only what? 2 places in the millions period. Here are 3. So this number is greater than 104 million 739,345 is greater than. We left over with only 2 numbers. Let us look up for the millions place only. In the millions place we have 73 here, 70 here. So which number is greater number? 73 or 70? 73 is greater. So let us write here 73 million 49,345. Last we left over with only one number, so let us write that is greater than 70 million 394,345. Okay, that's how we compared numbers today and form greater than number, less than number or equal to number, and basing on some given numbers we formed ascending order, descending order also. Let me ask you a few questions basing on these concepts. Okay, while comparing the two numbers, if one number is having 5 digits, another number is having 6 digits, which number will be greater? 6-digit number will be greater. Very good. So basing on the number of digits we can say that more number of digits will be the greater number, less number of digits will be the smaller number. One more question. When the highest place is same, while comparing the numbers, then what you will do? You will compare with the next place. Good. Now last question. What is meant by ascending order? Whether it is smaller number to bigger number or bigger number to smaller number. Yeah, smaller number to bigger number is ascending order. Okay, practice well again this concept, practice the problems. Let us meet with next concept in the next class. Have a great day.